AC Infinity just jumped into the oscillating fan game, and you are going to want to take a look at this one. I have talked several times in our Grow series about trying to keep the air moving around our grow tents, and have even asked you folks for your recommendations. Any of the oscillating fans that clip onto tent poles that I have looked at in the past have all had way too many bad reviews to even consider buying them, so I have been using various floor fans that have worked but take up more space than I like. The battery-powered fans that I was able to clip onto the poles last year were fine, but they didn't oscillate and were pretty underpowered. AC Infinity recently sent over a pair of their new Cloudray S6 10-speed fans for us to try out, and from what I have seen so far, I know that you folks are going to be interested. This video is not going to be a comprehensive review. That will come in a month or so after we have left them running in a tent to see how they do. I do want to be able to share them with you folks though, so this video will act as an unboxing and first look at this new product, with more testing to come later. When you open the box, you can see the instruction manual and warranty card right in the front, with this fan labeled as a developer kit. The packaging is super secure and padded as always. AC Infinity has some of the best packaging in the industry, and this is no exception. When you pull off the top layer of foam, you can see the clamp on the left, the fan in the center, and the accessory bag on the right. The accessory bag has a couple of Velcro ties, a zip tie, a mounting point, and the double-ended USB-C cord that you can use to connect this fan to their controllers. Now that we have everything unpacked, let's get it put together. The first thing to do is unscrew the thumb screw that is on the right side of the clamp. This allows you to slide the clamp over the fan mount, and then you can put the thumb screw back into both parts and tighten it up. This pivot point allows you to adjust the up and down angle of the fan super easily before locking it into place. That is the entire assembly, which is pretty amazing. On the back of the fan there is a little rubber plug, and if you want to connect this fan to a controller, you just need to remove it and plug in the included USB-C cable. There is a warning to not insert or remove the cable while the fan is on, so make sure it is off before doing either one. The fan has 10 different speeds that you set with a button on the back. There is also a button to turn the oscillating feature on and off. Note that the lights on the fan do turn off after a couple of seconds, so you don't need to worry about this fan shining light on your plants during lights out. The fan is super quiet until you get it up past 5 or 6, but once you start getting into the higher numbers, it also starts moving an incredible amount of air, which is a pretty good trade-off. One thing to note is that this fan can directly plug into their upcoming Controller 69 along with the rest of their line of products. To use it with their older controllers, they make a USB-C to Molex adapter that you can pick up on their website for a very affordable price. Finally, with the fan, note that you can rotate the fan on the clamp itself, which gives you an incredible amount of control when mounting this in your space. I am super excited to see AC Infinity bringing out this product. We don't know what the pricing is going to look like yet. We will have to wait for the official release this spring to find that out. So far though, it looks like a very solid entry that I am really looking forward to using in our tents. Let me know what you want to see in the upcoming update video that we will put out in a month or so, as I want to make sure to answer as many of your questions as I can in that update. While this fan is not available for sale yet, if you want to check out the rest of their gear for yourself, make sure to click on our link in the video description and use code GEEKS at checkout to get 15% off your order. A big shout out goes to our channel members here on YouTube and patrons over on Patreon that have pledged at the trimmer level. While all of our members and patrons help keep this channel going, you folks have gone above and beyond, and we really appreciate it.